Hi, hi there. So my name is Kyok, and I wanted to do a video just to showcase what I can be able to do with Excel. So the two main aims for this video is to tell you a bit of my background and also to showcase what I can do with Excel using a sample of the report that I've done. So my background, I've worked in a market research in 5 years now, and uh, of that 5 years, I would say that 60 to 70% of my time was spent on data analysis, basically, running projects, receiving data sets that are mostly unstructured, and cleaning the data, turning the data into beautiful graphics and charts, either on Excel using pivot tables or PowerPoint presentation charts. So pretty much that is my background. So I would say that Excel is a strong area of mine, and given any data, I can give you the insights in a in minutes, in hours, depending on how the data has been presented. So that is my background. So next on is the sample of work I've done. So on the screen you can see a sample data set, which basically has a number of rows, a number of columns, and so my task was to transform this data into a form in which it can make sense and it is valuable and can be used by the end users. So this is the data set, and I just want to quickly go to the end point of this data. So this is my aim, which I've managed to create a number of charts, which is telling the category size and the different segments within the category, the growth movement of long-term periods, short-term periods, and then the contribution of the category within the different time frames. So just one pager, and you are able to get most of the insights and stories to just get an overall look of what is happening with this particular category. So pretty much that is it. Very, very, very cool kind of way of visualizing the data, and this is all done in Excel. But what is more here is that you can navigate the different KPIs. So on the left hand side is the combo boxes, which you can turn between the metrics that you have in the data. So one pager, a lot of insights, a lot of just a pieces, some graphs in it, and a lot more value from the data sets that was presented. So this is my sample of work that I can do. So Excel is my forte, so to speak, and I can turn pretty much any data set into insights very quickly, fairly quickly, in hours, or in a couple of hours, depending on the type of data given. But yes, so this is my work. Any projects you want to be done, any urgent insights that is needed from Excel based report, feel free to reach out, and I'll be able to give you the insights needed fairly quickly. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you very much, and bye.